ಹಲೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾನ್ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೇನು ಅಡ್ವೈಸಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಹರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್. I truly believe that as a teacher, it's my duty and responsibility to empower the teaching community and provide the opportunities to grow together. Whatever the results we are getting, those are enough for us to have a happy and comfortable life. But if I say that I don't want to take Sandpoint to the next level, then as an entrepreneur, I'm wrong. So I should be always ready to expand our services. So in this regard, I want you to be part of our team Sandpoint, where we train you, where we guide you, and we give you the required skill set to take you to the next level in your life. Exactly for the same reason, today I am here to open the opportunity for you all to be the part of Sandpoint. So for this, we need very passionate as well as skillful candidates. So the candidate should be very much passionate for teaching, and he should have the required skill set to train the students in the right direction. Because we Sandpoint has never compromised in the teaching, and we will never compromise in the near future as well. And we are looking for the faculties for civil engineering, for mechanical engineering, and for electrical engineering who are ready to teach either for GATE exam or for any other competitive exams like WRD, SSC, JE, RRB for technical as well as for general studies. You had been wanting for the opportunity to work with us. Hence, send us your details so that we can select the eligible candidates and take the interview process forward. So if you look at the things, the opportunities are endless. So it's on you how you grab the opportunities and devote yourself accordingly 100%. I welcome you to this amazing and wonderful opportunity, and I want to see a true teacher in you. Be ready and join the winning team now. I will take you through the website where you can apply for this particular position. In Google, you just need to type as sandpoint.co.in. So once you type, then you will be redirected to our website. So here you need to click on this option more, careers, and here there is an application form wherein you have to fill the form. So I'll be just discussing about the details needed in the form, like you'll be mentioning your name, your email ID, your contact number, your hometown, and highest qualification. So okay, you have completed either engineering or MTech, PhD, diploma, or any other qualifications, and where you have completed your degree, and percentage and CGPA of the highest qualification. And this is very important, like if you have cleared any of the competitive exams like IES, GATE, SSC, JE, RRB, or any other state level exams, you can mention them here. And you need to upload your resume, which will be considered only in the PDF form. So once you submit all these details, then we will be receiving your information, and once we shortlist the applications, then we will be calling you for the further interview. So I suggest that this is a golden opportunity for you to get associated with Sandpoint if you are really willing to pursue your career in teaching and contribute your knowledge and efforts to the upliftment of the student community. And soon after shortlisting, interview will be called, and once you clear the interview, then the date of joining will be given as early as possible. So don't worry about this particular section, even if you haven't qualified and all, but still if you have a passion of teaching and if you feel like you are good in academics, then you are also eligible to apply for this particular position. So we have already started receiving the applications, and within 4 to 5 days, we will be shortlisting the applications. All the very best. See you soon at Sandpoint.